Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 1 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 3010. Divide an array into sub-arrays with minimum cost 1. So very easy problem. So in this problem you are given an array of integers nums of length n. The cost of an array is the value of its first element. For example, the cost of this array is nothing but 1 first element, while the cost of this array 3 for 1 is the 3 first element. You need to divide nums into 3 disjoint contiguous subarrays. And what is subarray? A subarray is a continuous non-empty sequence of elements within an array. We have to return the minimum possible sum of the cost of these subarrays. And if you see the constant size, it's also very small. N is from 3 to 50 and nums of I values from 1 to 50. All right. So here, see this example number 1. So we have to form 3 arrays using this. And we have to make sure that the first element that I'm going to pick it should be small. In that case only I will get the minimum possible sum, because the cost of array is the value of its first element. Now one thing, if you notice here, this element will always be part of my subarray, whatever subarrays that I'm going to form. So this element will always be part, because I can't skip it. So definitely the first subarray that I'm going to form, it is always going to start from this first element. So this will always be there in my calculation, this first element. Now here, let's say here I'm taking 1. We need contiguous. So let's say here I'm taking 2, and here in this side I'm taking 12. So 1, 2, 3, 12. 1, 2, 3, 12. I'm taking all. So what is the sum of all this? First element. Cost of this is 1. Cost of this is 2. Cost of this is 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. That's it. The best possible way to form 3 subarrays is this. So this element is always going to be fixed. I have to just find out the starting of the other twos. So let's say I and j I have to select, and this is always going to be fixed. Now here let me prove it with this example. So this 5 will always be part of 1, right? And after that, let's take like this 5, 4, 3. So here cost of this is 5, cost of this is 4, cost of this is 3. So 5, 4, 9, 3, 12. That's it, output. Now here if you see, we have to form 3 subarrays. So definitely the first one is always going to be start from here itself, because we can't miss any element. Now after that, I can take here 1, and here I can take 1, and here let's say I added 3. So now this is going to minimum cost 10, 1 and 1. So here it's nothing but 12. So that's it. So here what I will do, like if you see this example 3, so this is always going to be fixed. Now I'm going to run 2 loops, like nested loop. Let's say my I is starting from here and my j is going to start from here. So my I is going to run from here to here only, and my j is going to run from here to here, because my last subarray definitely I can't take empty. I have to stop here. So j is nothing but it's showing the starting point of the third subarray. I is going to show me the starting point of second subarray, and this 10 is fixed. So this is how I'm going to run one loop. So first I will see this combination 10 plus, and here let's say my I is here and my j is here. So that's it means I'm taking this combination 10, 3 and 1 comma 1. Okay, so in this case I will get some like 14. Then after that my j is going to move forward, let's say here. So I will say 10 plus second starting is 3 and next starting is 1, 14. So here I'm taking this sequence 10, 3 comma 1 and 1. Now next time here j I have to stop. Now this time my I is going to move forward and my j is again starting from here. My I is going to start from, let's say 1, then my j is going to start from I plus 1, one step ahead always. Then in this case my sum is going to be 10 plus 1 plus 1, right? Because I'm taking this 10 and 10 and here 3 also I'm taking 10 comma 3 I'm taking here, and my I starting from here 1 and my j is here 1. That's it. So in this case I will get 12. So I have to just, in the end, I have to just return the minimum value. That's it. So this is going to my code. Very simple, only few lines. That's it. So here, first, let me just maximize the screen, and is nothing but nums dot length, and here int answer is equal to integer dot max underscore value, and after that here I told you that nums of 0 is always the first sub array's cost. We can't skip any value, right? It is a contiguous sub array we have to form. So here after that I have to just find out the starting of other two. So let's say I is going to give me that the starting of my second sub array, and here it is going to run for less than equal to n minus 2, and here I plus plus, right? Because we need 3 and we don't need empty, so that is why I have to stop at n minus 2. And same way here int j is equal to, I will say I plus 1, and here j is less than equal to n minus 1, I will say, and here j plus plus. Now I can say this is nothing but my start of second subarray, and here I will say this is nothing but my start of third subarray, and here I will just create one variable, let's say cost, and it is nothing but it is going to be nums of 0 plus nums of I plus nums of j, and answer is nothing but I need to return minimum cost. So here I will say math.min of answer and the cost. So whatever the minimum I will store it in answer, and here in the end I will simply return the answer. That's it. So here let's run the code and see. So see, all the test case has been passed. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? And what is going to be the time complexity? Time complexity is going to be of n square, since we are running two loops, two nested loops here, this and this. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. And if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.